Hello everyone, today I will show you how to insert a checkmark shape in your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option and this comment box, click on this down arrow and here you will find this checkmark option. Click here and put your checkmark here and you can increase decrease this checkmark size. Click on this hand option and click on this properties option. Here you can change checkmark fill color. I will add this red color and see this. You can change this border style and border thickness. You can change also transparency and checkmark color and so on. And also you can add another checkmark here. See this. Also you can rotate this checkmark, your desired location and so on. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.